I spent over 65 hours testing Kit and these 8 other email marketing tools. So in this Kit review, I'll break down their key features like the landing page builder, email marketing campaign, email marketing automations, customer support, and their pricing plans. I'll score Kit out of 5 and give you my personal recommendations. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which email marketing provider is best for you. Ease of use. Kit's platform is pretty easy to use overall. Most features are straightforward and the navigation makes sense with features organized by what you want to do, like grow, send, and earn. This goal-based organization helps you find what you need quickly. They also give you a simple 7-step checklist to get started, which is really helpful. However, some features also seem quite similar at first look, like the visual automations and the rules. So it may take some getting used to when you're getting started. Kit offers a visual editor that's fast and easy to understand, but it doesn't provide the drag and drop flexibility you find in other platforms. Instead, you add content by typing / or by clicking the plus button. It's different from what most people expect, but once you get used to it, it works okay. What impressed me with Kit is the range of content you can add to your emails. Up to 27 different content types are supported here. These include standard items like buttons and images, but also more unique items like polls, countdown timers, and even Spotify are available, which is pretty cool. Kit has 15 email templates for you to choose from, but some seem pretty basic compared to what you get with other email marketing providers. If you know some code, you can upload HTML to create your own templates. While you can save these templates and content snippets to reuse in other emails, you can't set styles globally so your brand's fonts and colors can automatically apply to all templates. This would have been a huge time saver, so it's disappointing that it's missing. The landing page editor provides a good selection of 53 modern looking templates, and there's no limit to how many you can create. However, the design modification options are limited and the usability is poor, especially when compared to their competitors. You also can't A/B test your landing pages to improve conversions. One good thing though is that you can add your own domain name, even on the free plan. You can also create embedded pop-up and slide-in forms. Forms are easy to edit with their visual editor, and there are some nice designs to help you build your email list. You can also embed forms using HTML or JavaScript and make code changes for extra flexibility. And if you want to create your own high-converting landing page and email marketing campaign that gets you the leads you need for your business, then you can go here to collect the 8-step guide to creating lead magnets that convert for free. Overall, I give Kit a 4 for ease of use. They have a user-friendly interface and solid features, but they lose a point for the non-standard editor approach and limited landing page customization options. Features. You can import subscribers from the usual CSV method or directly from tools like ActiveCampaign and MailChimp, which makes it super easy to migrate. The tagging system is really flexible when adding or removing users from campaigns and email sequences. You can also create segments based on opens, clicks, and purchases. The visual automations feature lets you build customized sequence based on specific triggers, like subscribing to a form or making a purchase. You can then set actions like adding a tag or subscribing them to sequences. What's slightly confusing is the overlap with Kit's rules feature, which also lets you set up automation triggers by link clicks or form unsubscribes. It is missing some advanced automations though, like those triggered by abandoned carts and lead scores. You also can't split test within automations, which limits your ability to optimize performance. Through Kit's App Store, you have 37 native integrations with platforms like Canva, Shopify, and Thinkific. There's another 135 more available under legacy integrations. However, some integrations here will require more work to set up, which can be a bit annoying. Kit lets you sell digital products straight from their platform. Their built-in connection with Stripe and 0% fee is a great option to start selling your digital downloads without paying for another subscription service. They also let you create a paid newsletter, and even within the newsletter, you can also activate paid recommendations and earn more money by recommending other creators. Not many other competitors offer these features, and it's another great way to make extra income. Deliverability rate is not an issue for Kit. They have a 91.3% score, which is up there with the very best, so you don't have to worry about your emails getting stuck in the spam folders. Besides the usual open and click rates, Kit's reporting includes bounce rates and an engagement funnel. The Pro plan includes more advanced features like a graph that tracks subscriber sentiment and an insights feature that lets you track customer journeys and conversions from your website. However, Kit's reports are nowhere near as advanced as other tools that offer heat map, custom reports, or the ability to filter out bot clicks or Apple Mail opens. Overall, I give Kit a 4 for features. They lost half a point each for lacking advanced automations and having too simple reporting. However, they gain points back with useful integrations, zero fee payment collections, and having lots of different earning options. And if you want to get started and test this out for yourself, you can click on the link in the description of this video or type in this link where you'll be able to get a 14-day free trial with Kit and my special discount if you continue to use them. Customer support. Kit offers personalized migration assistance on the Creator and Pro plans. If you have fewer than 5,000 subscribers, they'll help move over subscriber lists, tags, groups, and segments. And for more than 5,000 subscribers, you'll also get help migrating forms, emails, automation templates, and integrations. The whole thing. This is much more comprehensive than what most competitors offer. Kit has a really negative review on Trustpilot with a low 1.7 star rating, but this is based on only 22 reviews, which suggests they don't actively encourage customer feedback on this platform. Most users who leave reviews here are making complaints. The main issues mentioned here are poor customer service and unexpected renewal charges without proper notification. But given this small sample size, I don't think it would be a fair reflection of the overall customer experience, but just be aware of these potential issues and monitor your billing closely. I've always had great experience with Kit's customer support, even on the free plan. Responses come back fairly quickly and they provide clear explanation. You can contact them via email on the free plan and 24/7 live chat on the Creator and Creator Pro plans, which is very handy. They also provide useful tutorials, even though some could be a bit more detailed. Overall, I give Kit customer support a 4. They provide good migration assistance and responsive support across all plans. They only lose a point for having really poor score on Trustpilot, meaning they need to take more care on customer feedback. Pricing. Kit offers a free plan for up to 10,000 subscribers, which is by far the best in the industry. The free plan includes basic features like email campaigns, landing pages, and forms, but you'll need to upgrade to use their advanced automations and monetization features. Now, if you do decide to upgrade, for 5,000 subscribers, you'll pay $75 per month on the Creator plan, while 55,000 subscribers will cost you $316 per month. These prices are competitive with other creator-focused platforms, though slightly higher than some general email marketing tools. Overall, I give Kit a 4 for pricing. They offer good value for creators with their monetization features and are super generous on their free plan, but they're not the cheapest option available. Overall, I score Kit a 4. Kit is a great choice for creators and small businesses who want to monetize their email list. It stands out for its creative-focused features, built-in monetization options, and the ability to sell digital products directly through the platform. However, if you need more detailed reporting, advanced automation features, or an easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor, then I recommend you check out this alternative here. But if you're ready to get started with Kit, then watch this full Kit tutorial next to get started.